In this guide, I'll show you how to make a full-screen TikTok video on Capcut. First, open Capcut, either start a new one or open an existing project. Tap on your video clip in the timeline. At the bottom, tap on Ratio and select 9:16, which is TikTok's default vertical ratio. Tap on Check icon to confirm. The option 1 is to tap on Edit and then zoom into your video by pinching screen until the black bars disappear. Adjust the zoom level until your video fills the screen vertically. This method focuses on the important parts of your video. The second option is add in a background. Swipe left on the bottom menu and tap on Canvas. Here, you can choose to add a solid color background, an image, or even a blurred version of your video as the background, and tap on the check icon to apply the background. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, tap on the Export button in the top right corner and export your video and upload it to TikTok. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this tutorial,